In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count visible rows after filtering in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill to have up your sleeve, especially when you're dealing with large datasets or when you need specific segments from your data without counting unnecessary details. So, let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to navigate to Google Sheets, specifically the document where your data resides. If you're new to this tool, just head over to sheets.google.com and select your intended document. Once you're there, it's time to choose the data you wish to filter. This selection is crucial as it defines the parameters for the filtered view you'll be working with. Next, you'll want to click on the Data option in the top menu. This is going to open up a range of possibilities for you to manage and manipulate your data efficiently. Now from the drop-down menu, select Create a Filter. This action essentially allows Google Sheets to understand that you want to set conditions on your data view, filtering out irrelevant information and focusing on your specific criteria. Once you've created the filter, you might see small triangles appear next to your column headers. These are your filter controls. Choose any empty filter that you created. This step might seem repetitive, but it ensures your filter conditions are fresh and free of any previous settings, helping you avoid unwanted overlaps or errors. Now here's where the magic really happens. In an empty cell on your sheet, you're going to type a formula. Begin with the subtotal function. Subtotal is unique in that it lets you perform calculations on a filtered set of data, ignoring hidden rows. Use the syntax subtotal 3 range, where 3 indicates a countif function and range is the area you want to evaluate. Remember to replace range with your actual data range like A2, A100. Once you've entered this formula, press enter. Your cell will now display the count of only the visible rows thanks to the filter you applied. It's a simple yet powerful way to focus your analysis. For added accuracy, you might also want to use an additional formula or operator to hone in on specific data conditions. Simply adjust your filter conditions as needed and the subtotal formula will dynamically calculate the visible data count. And finally, once you've set everything up, you could highlight the key results to make them stand out. This is particularly useful if you're sharing your sheet with others or presenting your findings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a neat and effective way of counting only the visible data in Google Sheets. Post-filtering. It's all about making your data work for you with minimal fuss. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out other videos for more tips and tricks on maximizing efficiency with Google Sheets. Happy filtering!